Tower, Pacific 5342 on Mount Vernon visual, runway 1.
Lucia 5342, Washington Tower, 1 star 320 to 17, gust 25. Can you take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Pacific 5342.
Lucia 5342, at the Wilson Bridge, change to runway 33, runway 33, clear to land.
Change to runway 33 for land, Pacific 5342.
Jet 789, 1 star 320 to 15, gust 25, traffic 2 out, no delay, runway 1 for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 1, no delay, yeah.
Washington Tower, American 3130 with you, runway 1.
American 3130, Washington Tower, 1 star 310 to 14, gust 25, runway 1 clear to land. Traffic may depart prior to arrival.
Okay, clear to land, runway 1, American 3130.
Jet 789, contact on March, good day.
Okay.
American 3130, slow the funnel.
Slow, American 3130.
Pad 25, traffic just off the Wilson Bridge to CRJ at 1,200 feet, start runway 33. Dispatch crew. American 1630 Tower, runway 1, lot void, traffic throughout, start runway 33, dispatch 16 on funnel.
Line of wait, runway 1.
Lucia 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47, good day. American 1630 1 star 320 to 14, gust 25, traffic 2 mile left base, runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, clear for takeoff, American 1630.
Pad 25, get the CRJ in sight. Pad 25, pass behind the CRJ. Dispatch.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star 320 to 17.
Alright, this is Win.
Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130. Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33. Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
American 472, cancel landing clearance, runway 1, continue. American 472, cancel approach clearance, runway 1, continue.
Approach clearance canceled, we're continuing. Blue Streak 5305, I think you saw that over by house.
Affirmative.
Clarify what you want 478 to do. Are we going around or are we continuing?
05, maintain 3000.
American 472 is going around, we're going to climb maintain 3000.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final.
Alright, for American 472, we're on the go. We're going to climb maintain 3000. You have a heading?
American 472, let's start heading 270, climb maintain 3000. Contact Potomac on 118.495.
270 the heading, 3000 and 1895 American 472.
American 3130, contact approach on 1895.
1895, 3130. 5347 is on final. Request circle to 33.
Lucy 5347, go around, climb maintain 3000, flight path.
3000 heading, go around 3000, Blue Streak 5347.
American 3130, contact approach, no, shoot standby.
Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3? It is off the approach end of runway 33. Approach end of runway 33. Helicopter crash. Helicopter. Yes, copies.
Copy out this morning.
Crash. This is alert 3. 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ approaching runway 33.
Where are we?
The approaching runway 33, a mile off final. Crash. Kilo CRJ approaching 33.
Okay. How many tolls on board?
We don't have any of that information.
One for taxi 301.
Towers reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash into the Potomac River.
Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Hold all operations, aerodrome closed.
Blue Street 5347, turn right heading 0, Harrison. Blue Street 5347, turn right heading 120.
120 on heading Blue Street 5347.
And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
Got that 43, ready for taxi.
Everyone's going to have to hold for down. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Fire command, the accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
Yes, all runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.